Hello, everybody. Welcome to Talk Tech Culture. So, on today's episode, we're going to be doing a test to image generation where you see us enter prompts and then images will be generated out of it using the Stable Diffusion pipeline. This is under the Stable Diffusion module, and we will pick one of the Stable Diffusion modules for this particular one. So, to get started, I'm choosing my development platform. Today is going to be Google Colab. As you can see, you can just go into your browser, type Google Colab, and if you have a Google account, all you need is a Google account to access Colab. And then from here, we click on New Notebook, voila, and then we create a beautiful notebook, which is going to allow us start the development process. And the requirement for this particular development is that we need NVIDIA CUDA. I don't have it installed on my computer, so I can't use PyCharm. If you do have, you don't need Google Colab in this case. But if you don't, at least with a free account on Google Colab, at least you can be able to do this. And remember to go to your notebook settings and ensure that you are using a GPU. You change to that, you click on save, and then the next thing we do is we're going to be installing the various libraries that we'll be needing for this. Okay, so pip install. We'll be needing the transformers. I need to type this properly. Transformers. We'll be needing diffusers. We'll be needing accelerate. Okay. And just do the other installation on the next line. X formers. Yeah. And then we download. These are the various libraries that we'll be needing. It'll take some time for the installation process to go on because, yeah, pretty heavy. Yeah. Okay, guys. Nice. So Transformers is saying requirement already satisfied because I've done an application that involved Transformers. So it's there was no need to download other things. And the diffusers were downloaded. And as you scroll down to the installation process, you can see NVIDIA CUDA, NVIDIA CUDA NN. So you see you need this particular, in order to use these, you need this on your computer, and Google Colab already has that, so it's easier to use them as a development platform now. But if your computer is like NVIDIA GeForce, you can just have PyCharm, install the PyCharm IDE or any Python IDE that you're comfortable with, and then run this application on. So as it's going, hopefully it continues and finishes quickly since we have some of our requirements already satisfied. Okay. I guess it's coming to an end. Okay. The X formers. Touch. Yeah. This will take some time, guys. So let's be patient with it as it's going on. And kindly let me know in the comment section what are your preferable libraries for having a text to image generation. If you're new to it, don't worry. Don't worry. We'll have a dedicated episode to explain all these generative AI modules that are used, especially in image generation. So you won't be left behind. Yeah. Okay. So I think we're almost at the end in my mind, since we're at the last line, which is the X formers. Yeah, these are pretty heavy packages, so it happens like this. Yeah. Okay. So saving. Bum, bum. Oh, nice. So this is done, and then the next thing we're going to be doing is let's import what we need. Import. Keep making this. Import transform. Nah, I don't need transformers here. Import diffusers from. Oh, why am I from diffusers, guys. From diffusers, we import the stable diffusion. Let me use the intelligence to help me out. Stable diffusion. I need the last one. Pipeline. And then I can import touch since it's already, yeah. Python is very particular about the indentation, so let's bear that in mind. I like to do them line by line, so I'm able to catch an error very quickly. So this is saying that from the diffusers, if you're coming from a JavaScript um, development background, you can see we normally do import from, but Python is the opposite. From diffusers, you import your package that you need. So we're going to define the module, call it the model ID. In this case, we're taking the Dreamlike-art module from Stable Diffusion Photo. These models are actually on Hugging Face, so you can go there and read about them. We always read the licenses and the licenses associated with them so that you develop within the license specification. So diffusion pipeline, no, so diffusion pipeline from pre-trained. Please help me with intelligence. Okay, from pre-trained. So why is this okay? Model ID. We have the model. I think we need the D type. I hope it gives me the D type. Okay, it gives me the D type. But I need it from touch. Touch D type is equal to touch dot float. So using float 16 in this case. And then pipe would then be equal to a pipe dot to CUDA. Okay. So after this, I run and ensure that I'm not making any mistakes. So as we can see, it's going to be downloading the module for us. It goes to the tokenization because this is a pre-trained model. So it has all these already pre-done for you. And whilst it's going through this, um, you actually need to have a Hugging Face account in order to do this particular thing. Usually, if you don't have an there's something we call the HF token, guys. Yeah, the HF token, you find it on Hugging Face. So you need a Hugging Face account. Go there, generate a token, and then you come here. Once you generate your token, you come here with the secrets. Okay, I don't have a secret. This is interesting because usually sometimes when I'm doing this, it complains that, oh, I need an HF token. That's a Hugging Face token. Sometimes it doesn't. I guess I'm missing something in my other developments, maybe. Okay, so now that it's done, we have our prompts. We're going to define our prompts. Yes, these, we're going to put them in an array. And I already have some prompts already defined. So I'm going to just put them here and then we'll have like about 4 prompts. Okay, guys, this I don't need with size because the Hagen, my bad, because the stable diffusion pipeline, stable diffusion itself, guys, already uses a 5 by, the images it generates is 5 by 12, 512 by 512. So if you feed in a prompt giving asking it for a particular size, it's once it's not within that range, I mean, the prompt just goes unnoticed. You can try it and then you understand what I'm saying. And then let's go with this living room. I want a living room. Okay, with the flower code. I think my third prompt I can say I want an art of a beautiful, beautiful woman. Let's say beautiful woman, an art of a beautiful woman. I mean, you can give me more details. And then we define our images where we're going to store the images generated, the folder. Okay, so from there, I'm going to import OS because I need to make a directory. And making a directory in Google Colab usually starts with /content. Let me call it all images. Okay. Let me open this folder so you guys can see when the directory is created. And I click on this and I refresh. You see, wow, the image is there. And then now that we have the folder, we're going to go through the prompts and then generate the image and then store it in the folder. Enumerate. We're going to be using Python enumerate prompts, passing in the prompts. And then we say for each image, go into the pipe, pass the prompt to the pipe, and save it. The first one, save it at the first space in the images array. In the Python, in this case, we'll say the images list. I'm coming from a JavaScript background, guys. So, okay, so we have this. Okay, so let me show you something. We can just copy the path instead of typing it by ourselves. And here I want to call my images picture and then just pass the index to it. And I wanted to have an extension of JPJ. Then I can append it to the images list. And then voila, let's save the images and let's see how it goes. So currently we are generating our images. Pretty simple, guys, don't you think? Pretty simple. That is the beauty of generative AI. Okay, so after this is done, we're going to refresh this and we will see our images in the folder, as you can see. Oh, the first one has been generated. So when it's done, we can refresh and then see everything. This is beautiful. I think this is beautiful. Okay. The second one has been generated. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful, guys. This is just, for me, I just love it. Yes, the beauty of generative AI modules. Okay, it's done so we can see. Yes, voila. Okay, so now we're going to display our images. I mean, you can show this. I can double click this and the images have been generated here. But let's say I want to display the images in this particular notebook space. I'm going to use the matplotlib.py plot as plt and then from IPython package dot, am I spelling this? Yeah, I think I'm not spelling this. It's Python dot display. I'm going to import the image and then import glob. I'll be needing glob. Import CV2. Not sure I need CV2 here, but yeah, I don't think I need CV2. I want to have CV2. Honestly, I don't think I need CV2 here. Okay, so I define where I'm going to have. So we have a for and G in globe. I pass my path here. And then I say go through all of them. Look through each and every one with Something like this. The extension JPG. I'll say individual image plots read. I am read has the image there. PLT I am show me the image individual. Come on, Google Intelligence, help me out. Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you. And then plots, I don't need to see the axis, so I'm putting it off. And then show me. Okay, voila. So let's see our images, how they look like. Okay, we have a coffee table. We have this beautiful new lights. This is beautiful. The image we entered. So, guys, this is it. This is all about the stable diffusion pipeline using the Dreamlike-art Dreamlike-photoreal module, which is a kind of stable diffusion module. So this is beautiful, guys. Before you use the stable diffusion pipeline, kindly go to Hagen Face, read the license, because for commercial purposes, I remember it has to do with the fact that you can only, I read the license, you can only generate 10 images, but I'm not so sure if it's been updated or it's been changed what I'm saying. So kindly go there, read the license before you use it for commercial purposes. But if it's for a personal project, just for fun, I think I stand to be corrected, but I think you're good to go. So this is all it. Thanks guys for sticking around, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so that you are notified, yes, whenever we upload new content. So stay safe and see you next time. We'll be talking about prompt engineering. Yes. Bye.